choosing the best razor can be a game-changer for your grooming routine. Whether you're looking for a close shave, irritation-free experience, or something that's quick and easy, there's a razor out there for you. In this video, we'll review 5 top razors that cater to different needs, from manual to electric, ensuring you get the best shave possible. Let's dive into our picks for the best razors of this year. Kicking off our list at number 1, Schick Hydro 5. The Schick Hydro 5 is a highly praised razor, designed for those who want a smooth, close shave with added comfort. Featuring a flexible, pivoting head and 5 ultra-glide blades, it promises an irritation-free experience. Schick's Hydro technology offers advanced skin protection, making it ideal for sensitive skin. This razor stands out with its moisturizing serum, which hydrates the skin while you shave, reducing razor burn. Key features: the Schick Hydro 5 boasts 5 ultra-glide blades that ensure a close shave while minimizing tugging and pulling. It has an ergonomic handle, making it easy to hold, even when wet. Its skin guard helps reduce irritation, and the hydration serum lasts up to an hour after shaving. The pivoting head adjusts to the contours of your face, providing a smooth, precise shave every time. Benefits and usage: for those with sensitive skin, the Schick Hydro 5 is a great choice due to its moisturizing gel reservoir. It helps reduce dryness and irritation during the shave, leaving the skin feeling soft and smooth. The razor is especially useful for those who shave daily, as it effectively prevents nicks and cuts while providing long-lasting comfort. Usability: the Schick Hydro 5 is easy to use, thanks to its ergonomic handle and flexible head. The razor glides smoothly over the skin, making the shaving process quick and efficient. Whether you're shaving your face, legs, or other areas, the razor's versatility ensures a seamless experience. Its hydrating serum also helps prevent the blade from dragging across the skin, offering a gentle shave every time. Durability: the durability of the Schick Hydro 5 is commendable. The blades are designed to last, offering multiple uses without significant dulling. The hydrating gel reservoir is also quite durable, ensuring that the moisturizing effect lasts for a significant amount of time. Overall, this razor provides excellent value for the price. In the second spot, we have Merkur 34C. For those looking for a high-quality, classic safety razor, the Merkur 34C is a top choice. Renowned for its sturdy construction and timeless design, this razor offers a precise shave. Ideal for wet shaving enthusiasts, the Merkur 34C is designed with a short handle for better control. It's a razor that provides a traditional, close shave while still being easy to use. Key features: the Merkur 34C features a double-edged blade, which allows for an incredibly close shave with minimal irritation. The razor's solid brass construction ensures durability and longevity. Its short, textured handle provides a firm grip, allowing for greater control during use. The closed comb design makes it a great option for beginners, providing more safety and ease when shaving. Benefits and usage: the Merkur 34C excels in delivering a close, precise shave, especially for those who prefer the art of wet shaving. Its double-edged blade ensures that you get a clean cut with fewer passes, reducing the likelihood of razor burn or irritation. The traditional safety razor design makes it an excellent option for individuals looking for a more classic, eco-friendly shaving method. Usability: although the Merkur 34C is a traditional razor, it's incredibly user-friendly. Beginners may find it slightly more challenging to use than cartridge razors, but with a bit of practice, it's easy to master. Its weight and design allow for a controlled shave, ensuring a smooth experience with minimal nicks and cuts. Durability: built to last, the Merkur 34C is made from high-quality brass and coated with chrome for added protection. The razor's construction ensures that it can withstand years of use without showing signs of wear. Its robust design and solid construction make it a lifetime investment for shaving enthusiasts. Coming in at number 3 is the Bic Flex 5. The Bic Flex 5 is a budget-friendly razor that doesn't skimp on performance. Featuring 5 flexible blades, it's designed to contour to the natural curves of your body, offering a precise and smooth shave. The Bic Flex 5 offers great value for those who want a quality shave without breaking the bank. Its ergonomic handle and pivoting head add to its ease of use. Key features: the Bic Flex 5 is equipped with 5 flexible blades that adapt to the shape of your face or body, ensuring a smooth, close shave with minimal irritation. Its ergonomic handle provides a secure grip, and the pivoting head ensures precise control during the shave. The razor also includes a lubricating strip for added comfort, reducing friction during shaving. Benefits and usage: for those who need a reliable razor at an affordable price, the Bic Flex 5 is an excellent option. It works well for both men and women, providing a clean shave with minimal effort. Its flexibility allows it to glide smoothly over skin, reducing the chances of nicks or cuts. It's also perfect for people who shave regularly, as it can handle multiple uses without losing its edge. Usability: the Bic Flex 5 is designed for ease of use. The ergonomic handle provides a comfortable grip, even when wet, and the pivoting head allows for flexibility during the shave. The razor is versatile enough to be used for both face and body shaving. Its 5 blades ensure that you can tackle larger areas quickly, making it a great option for individuals who want an efficient shave. Durability: while the Bic Flex 5 is more affordable than premium razors, it still delivers excellent durability. The blades remain sharp for multiple uses, and the lubricating strip provides additional glide during the shave. However, as with most razors, the blade may start to dull after frequent use, but it still offers good longevity for its price. Taking our 4th spot is Gillette Fusion 5 ProGlide. The Gillette Fusion 5 ProGlide is a high-end razor that promises an exceptionally close and comfortable shave. Known for its advanced technology and precision, this razor is designed to minimize irritation while delivering a perfect shave every time. It's a great choice for men who want smooth, easy grooming with cutting-edge features. Key features: equipped with 5 precision blades, the Gillette Fusion 5 ProGlide ensures a close shave with reduced tugging. It features Gillette's FlexBall technology, which allows the razor head to pivot in multiple directions, providing better contact with the skin. Additionally, the razor has a lubricating strip that enhances comfort and reduces friction for a smoother shave. Benefits and usage: the Gillette Fusion 5 ProGlide is ideal for men who seek a premium shaving experience. Its precision blades and advanced FlexBall technology ensure that it adapts to the natural curves of your face, delivering a more comfortable shave. The razor is especially effective at reducing razor burn, making it perfect for those with sensitive skin or who shave frequently. Usability: the Gillette Fusion 5 ProGlide is extremely user-friendly. The FlexBall technology makes it easy to maneuver the razor across your face, providing a precise shave without requiring too much effort. Its ergonomic handle ensures a secure grip even when wet. The razor's smooth glide makes it an efficient tool for both daily and occasional shavers. Durability: this razor is built to last, with high-quality construction that withstands repeated use. The precision blades stay sharp for a long time, ensuring a smooth shave with each use. While the cartridges are replaceable, the razor handle itself is incredibly durable and can last for many years, making it a good long-term investment. And finally, at number 5, we have Panasonic Arc5. The Panasonic Arc5 is a top-tier electric razor designed for men who want the best of both worlds: precision and comfort. Equipped with 5 ultra-sharp blades and a multi-flex pivoting head, it provides a thorough, close shave while minimizing skin irritation. With its advanced shaving technology, the Arc5 is ideal for those who prefer an electric razor but still want a premium experience. Key features: the Panasonic Arc5 features 5 ultra-sharp, nanotech blades that provide a close shave without pulling. It has a multi-flex pivoting head that moves with the contours of your face, ensuring smooth contact and an even shave. Additionally, it includes a high-performance motor that delivers fast shaving speeds, allowing you to tackle more in less time. Benefits and usage: the Arc5 is designed for those who want a close shave with the convenience of an electric razor. It's perfect for individuals with sensitive skin, as the blades are designed to minimize irritation. The razor is also waterproof, so you can use it in the shower for added convenience. Whether you're shaving daily or just need a quick touch-up, the Arc5 delivers reliable performance. Usability: the Panasonic Arc5 is incredibly easy to use, thanks to its ergonomic design and flexible head. Its wet/dry capabilities allow you to use it in the shower or with shaving gel, enhancing comfort. The razor's quick charging feature and long battery life also add to its convenience, making it an excellent option for people who are always on the go. Durability: the Arc5 is built to last, with durable construction that can withstand daily use. Its high-quality blades maintain sharpness over time, and the motor is designed to deliver long-lasting performance. The razor's waterproof design ensures that it remains functional and efficient even after prolonged exposure to water, making it a durable option for daily grooming. Choosing the best razor is about finding the right balance between comfort, performance, and durability. Whether you prefer manual razors like the Schick Hydro 5 or Merkur 34C, or the convenience of electric razors like the Panasonic Arc5, each of these top 5 razors offers unique benefits that will elevate your grooming routine. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert reviews and recommendations.